Hey y'all, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm in here in Walmart, but I'm doing something for me. Even though it's for the house, I'm doing something for me. I just wanted to do some little retail therapy. You know, just sometimes you just want to come in the store. Like I said, even if you're getting stuff for your home, it's still something for you. You know what I mean? Like, sometimes you just got to do something for you. Like I said, I get that, you know, as parents, we got to have stuff for our home and all of that. But like I said, sometimes you just want to pour into yourself and get something and do something for you. And that's what I'm doing. I'm in here buying some stuff that I want. I needed a lamp for the living room, so I got that. These little cute spreaders that I'm spreading my jelly or my whatever. I needed a new can opener, so I got that one. I need some skewers, and I got me 2 candles. So yeah, like I said, it just feels good. Hey, how you doing?
Good morning. I'm looking for a tray that go in the refrigerator and it'll hold eggs.
See, they got the plastic bowls over here. These are mixing with the different color ones for $6.97. You get 3. Then they got the white ones for $7.47. I think I'm gonna get one of these. Yeah, I'm gonna get me one of these. Just to have me some new mixing bowls. Jordan gonna shake his head when I come in the house. He is. I already know he is. So he gonna be like, babe, didn't we just go to Walmart yesterday? Yup, we did. We did. We just went yesterday. Oh, this one you can measure with. Mm-hmm. And it's only $1.97. This one got the measurements. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get this one. Cause this one here, mixing bowls, yeah. They don't have the measurements, but you can pour. And that's not bad. $1.97 and $6. That's cheaper than getting food. This was only $5. It's on sale. These was 3. The little skewers, but I want to do something with that. This was 10. And then I got 2 candles. They were both $3. I got a digital scale. I ain't getting nothing I don't need. I just want to get some stuff that I do. Oh, this the whole little set. But I don't need all that stuff. Alright, let me move on to the other aisle. And I got me some colanders and all of that. I need a cooling rack. And I think this not the... I could use this one, but I don't think it's the one I'm looking for. But I just need me a cooling rack. I can use this for my cookies, but also the one when you putting your chicken on it and you putting it on your pan. I need one. And it's only $3.97. So let's see. Because this is the one. This is the one that come with the tray too. And it's $15. That's not bad. And this one come with the tray. I think I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one here. I was trying to see if they had a cheaper one, but I don't see none. I don't see none. If I find one cheaper somewhere else, I'm gonna get it. But so far, that's the cheapest one I've seen. $15, but like I said, you got this one. Yeah, they do the same thing. You just put your this. Now I don't think if you put this in a pan, they'll do the same thing. Whatever. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Oh, she got a little spatula. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's cute. I like their timing tables. I like the colors that's on these. Man, I love those colors. Those are so pretty. They could be the theme in my house, but I have to change stuff up. But I love them. And they're not expensive. Like, this was $4. Y'all remember I had got some stuff like this from Burlington. I mean, not Burlington, Rouse's. Not Rouse. What you call it? Marshall's. And it was this brand. Because the Pioneer Woman bowls is $11.68. 86. These are $4.88. That's nice. I just know I got some at home and I ain't gonna do nothing with those. But it's nice though. And then they got their basting brushes and all that. Like I said, it's really nice. I like the collection. That's not bad for $15.86. And they got the little writings on it. But those are nice, y'all. That's really nice. Like I said, I just know I'll be buying it to buy because I don't need nothing with that. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm about to just walk around, enjoy myself, see what I can find and what I like. I want to get me one of these non-stick woks so I can put my chicken in when I'm doing my chicken and stuff. But I'm about to enjoy myself in here and just look around. Retail therapy. Hey guys, if y'all hear anybody talking, that's my oldest son, Deontay. Okay, that's him talking. That's him. That's him right there. Anywho, okay, let me show y'all what I got. I got a lot of different stuff, so I'm gonna show it to y'all. I did me some, what is it called, retail therapy. Even though I got some stuff for the house, it was still stuff that I wanted. Like, it was not, okay, well, this is a necessity. It was just like, I want to get this because it helps me. It calms me down. So I'm gonna tell y'all. I did get a loaf of bread for my little one. Because we got 2 left, but he needed one for his sandwiches in the morning. I got me a pineapple that I'm about to cut up. I got me another thing of mild pico de gallo because I am making me some chicken fajitas today, and I like to put this on my fajitas. I got some mint to go in some water, and none of they mint really looked completely fresh. But this one had looked the freshest out of all of them. But I need to make me, like I said, some water. So I'm putting that mint in there. I got me some bananas because I'm about to eat me some cereal. Shredded lettuce. That's going to go on with my chicken fajitas. And then I got me 2 mangoes. And I'm going to go ahead on. I'm probably, I may cut both of them up. I'm not sure. But I'm going to show y'all how I was attempting to rearrange my refrigerator this morning. Because the refrigerator was messed up. That's what led me to go to the store. Because I needed to get some organizer stuff to go in the refrigerator. Retail therapy. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. So I'm going to show y'all in another video after this. And then I got these little spreaders. These was only $2 at Walmart. I did do a walkthrough of some of the stuff and showed y'all the prices. But this was like $2.98. These are nothing but the new little butter knives. And I got this because my little one, he liked to use a regular knife to make his sandwiches. And I'm like, boy, you going to cut the tip of your finger off. And I done been there, done that with my oldest son. I'm not going to sit in nobody's hospital to repair a fingertip. So I got him these. He cannot cut himself with this. If that child, cause boy is dangerous. And he going to be 12 in April. But he will, you would say you can't cut yourself and he'll find a way to do it. So if y'all got kids or grandkids, y'all understand. And then I got me a new can opener because everybody was saying that can opener don't work. That can opener don't work. So I went and got a new one. This time I got the Pioneer Woman. I don't know if hers going to be any better. It was $5 because it was on sale. And it was like regular $12. But all her stuff that we do have seemed to work really well. So I went on and got the Pioneer Woman can opener because it was on sale. Then I got me 2 chef's knives. This is just a Great Value brand. They was 98 cents a piece because I needed a new one to cut my chicken. Then I got 2 candles. So when I baked, I forgot my dang on Epsom salt. I'm gonna have to go get me some Epsom salt because I forgot. I can't take my bath without it. But I got the blackberry apple, and this one has blackberry, fruity, green, apple, and honey. I like that they starting to put the scents on it. And then I got the starlit sky, and it got blood orange, jasmine, and sandalwood. Both of these smell good, and y'all know these are like $3 at Walmart. I've been wanting me a wok, and I got it. It's not the expensive brand or nothing like that. They had the Tasty brand, they had the Pioneer Woman, they had every other brand in the store for like $20, $30. I just got this one because this thing was $6.98. I'll probably be the only one that's going to use it. I'm making my chickens today, so I'm cooking in this. It's non-stick, and I got me some spray for it and everything, and some non-stick using utensils. So I got that. I got me some Scotch-Brite because we needed some more scrub sponges, and these was only $1.50 for 3. They was on sale. So I don't know if they got a new brand in they're getting in, but they was on sale, so I went on and grabbed it. I got one thing of disinfectant spray. That's all I needed. They didn't have the big thing of Mr. Clean, so I just got this one. And when they do have the big one, I'll get it. We do have a pest guy that come out and spray quarterly. They'll come out once a month for so long, then they'll come out quarterly, and they just came and sprayed. But I just got this one because y'all know it's getting that time of year. Every now and then you will see a bug. Ants starting to be bad. So I just got it to have it on hand. I got the 120 sheets of Snuggle, the fabric sheets, because they will be delivering. I dried tomorrow. Thank you, Lord, for that. And then I got these little storage containers. I think I picked up 5. I think that's what that girl said. Yeah, 5. And they was only $1.28. And I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for certain things so I can keep it organized and it won't be falling over. And then I got a bigger dish rack. And this is the sink set with the drip spray. And then it gives you 3 separate compartments. The ones that I have currently is a smaller one, so I'm gonna see either if my son Deontay want it or my daughter Alisha, because it's just them. Because I needed a bigger one, because the one I had, it wasn't cutting it. And then I got one thing of Snuggle. This is 164 loaves, the lavender and vanilla. I got the liquid Arm & Hammer. It's 170 loads. The Clean Burst, and then I got the Alpine Clean in 150 loads in a powder. We still have some gain left, but I just only got this so I won't have to be going back out. And like I said, we got our new that washer we just got a couple of months ago, so they're bringing our dryer in the morning. I can't wait because I'm tired of going dry clothes at the laundromat, but we went yesterday, so I'm good on laundry. And then I got this 4-pack of kitchen towels. I got it in black and white to match this because I got my mama a tablecloth, so I'm going to show y'all that. So it's just 2 white and black and 2 solid black ones, just so we can put, you know how you hang 2 up on your oven. And these was only $2. I think they was like $2.98. It wasn't more than $3 for these. So I thought that was a good deal. Like nothing that I got today was expensive. Everything was cheap because even that drainer was $6.98. This laundry detergent for the 170 was $11. This liquid one was $11. The Snuggle was $11.
There you go, bye.
And then I got Mama this table throw. And I just like this one because it got these little, y'all know what these are called. And then the way that it's angled, it's like the print that was on it is black and white. And our kitchen is black, it's white, but all of our what you call these things? Appliances are either black or white. And our like this side of the kitchen black, this side white. So that's our thing, black, white, and gray. And I got to get some more stuff for the house, but I just like that. I thought that was cute. Hopefully my mama will like it. And then I got me 2 white towels, 2 of the green. This color green is like a teal color. 2 of them. And y'all know these only like $2. I should have got 4 whites, but it's okay. I'll let Jordan get some more. So I just got 6 total and 2 gray ones. Because sometimes when the kids over or they come stay over, they use my bathroom. Then I end up with less towels. So like I said, I just got 2 of each. And like I said, these was less than $3. So yeah, everything was very affordable. Like I said, these was like $1 and something. That wok wasn't expensive. Nothing was up there was expensive. So yeah, so y'all let me, dang boy, now my son is about to break our whole washing machine. Jesus.
I had someone behind me. I didn't want to knock
Why
them
is
over.
this thing wet again? All right. So like I said, if y'all like these kind of, like I said, this is not just a family haul. This was more of, like I said, retail therapy for me. If y'all seen a previous video, then y'all know why. So if I have retail therapy type hauls that I just want to go and walk around, look around, clear my head, they're going to be over here. But budgeting stuff, grocery stuff, all of that always is on my grocery channel. And then any grocery walkthroughs that we do with the family when we out grocery shopping and such, all of that is on our main vlog channel. With everything else that we do, family content. So yeah, y'all. So that's it. Like I said, I hope this refrigerator's still clean because I did it this morning. I tried. If y'all would have seen this refrigerator earlier, y'all would have been like, what in the what? I need to order me 2 more to go down here because they broke, because the kids like to lean on it. So I'm just going to order me 2 from Amazon. And when they come in, I'm going to put them back down there. And they won't be allowed to just touch it. Because they broke the 2 that was up here. These 2 was at the bottom and I had to rotate them up. I said, they ain't going to be happy until we ain't got none of these on the dough. So yeah. So what I did was, I have like my turkey and ham stuff, all the stuff for them to do salads on the bottom. And then I have all my fruits and veggies here. Well, not necessarily fruit, but all my veggies. And well, I guess you could say fruit because I got my grapefruits and stuff. Then my lemons, limes, my bell peppers that I'm about to use, and onions. And then, of course, our leftovers, juices, watermelon. I got my some water. And then these waters, juices, eggs, grapes, salsa that I'm about to use. And then all our orange juices and other stuff that they already have open is here. That stuff they're not going to open till it's used. And then all the condiments, the other stuff that I need for cooking, my garlic and stuff. I went and picked me up another cilantro yesterday and I forgot we still had one, but that's okay because we go through with cilantro a good bit here. And I do need to clean out my my freezer portion, but that's not gonna get done today. It's just not. It's not. But and I wanted to get me a butter container, but I was like, no, because I'm not. If I put that, I'm not gonna be able to put the butter container in here. Because it won't be big enough, so I'm just gonna leave it like I got it with my butter and my cheese on the door. So yeah, but like I said, I'll do some shorts and stuff of just showing you guys how I ended up organizing my stuff with these containers, because I don't want it to be a long played out, drawn out video. So, but I'm about to get my towels and stuff put up and yeah, start cooking. Like I said, I'm doing me some fajitas today with my mango. I want me some mango on it and cut up my pineapple. So I thank y'all so much. Like I said again, y'all just stay tuned to this channel and the other channels. I have a lot of content that I will be sharing with you guys over these next couple of months. So y'all just stay tuned and enjoy. So y'all stay blessed. We love you guys. We appreciate all y'all support. Share this video if you care, and always make sure y'all give the video a thumbs up as y'all are coming in, okay? And I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.